We need to find the values of x and y. They're telling us what we need to know is that these two lines are parallel. They're also marked parallel. That's what these two little arrows on the inside here mean. And this is a transversal. So that means all of our angle relationships apply. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior are here. They are between the parallel lines, but they are on opposite sides of the transversal. So red is congruent to red, yellow is congruent to yellow. Same side interior angles add up to 180. If they're on the same side of the transversal and they are between the parallel lines, they're not equal to each other. One will be bigger and one will be smaller. All right, now if I take this green angle and just slide it down here, that's corresponding, so I know that these two are the same. But this is the proof of why they add up to 180. They make a straight line when you put them right next to each other. I have a 94 and I have an X. We know that those are same side interior, which means they add up to 180. So if I subtract 94 from 180, I get 86, and that's the value of x. Good, we're half done. So now I need to figure out x and y, or y right here. And there's more than one way to do it. Right here, these two make a linear pair, so these two would add up to 180 as well. But I also know that this 94 and this x plus y are alternate interior angles, which means they're equal to each other. So I'm going to do it that way, because I don't know, my brain thinks that's simpler. I know that the x is 86, so I'm going to substitute that in like we just did on that proof. Substitution property of equality. And then we subtract 86 from both sides, and I got y equal to 8. Did you guys get that one? Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.